Sadie's got one boot on.
No, stop.
I think the other food is not really well.
She's prancing. Jesse, you like your boots?
They don't really go on her that well.
Jesse's like, no, not again.
Oh, she got one out.
She's figuring out how to take them off. Try to get her to walk. She's gonna be sliding all over the place.
Come on.
They might help her get traction outside, but definitely not inside.
She's already like eating it off. Stop. She's like, aww. Get up. Come on.
Jesse.
Arms are a little bit small.
They're one size. Trying to get her to walk around the kitchen.
She's like,
You're walking like a horse.
it's exactly that.
Jesse, leave it. Call her, honey.
Jesse. Jesse.
No, not again.
Jesse, you like coats.
This is a little bit too big for her.
Well, she got large, but she'll grow into it.
Where, Jesse?
Jesse, you look so pretty. Don't put her outside in there. It's not that cold.
You like it now? Good girl.
She's starting to walk normal. She's getting used to it.
Good girl.
Good girl, Jesse. Good girl. Dan's a good girl. Good girl.